Hi Lily, so here's the screencast to show you where I found the transcript that I think is the one that you need that'll have your name on it. So from the COS website, go to My SysQs, and then go ahead and log in there. Okay, and then once you're logged in, yours might look a little bit different, but if you go to Academic on the left sidebar here, and then scroll all the way down to View Unofficial Transcript, then you're going to choose All Levels and Official Web Transcript, and submit that. And this may have been what you did. When I do that, the transcript that I get that comes up for the like Nordic skiing and business class I took, I get my unofficial transcript and then my name is up here in the right corner. So I think, I don't know if that's what you did before, but when you took the screenshot, the name was off it. If I print this, so if I go up here to File, Print, on my computer I get a document that has all my classes and then my name up here in the upper right with the date it was printed. So give that a try, and if that doesn't work, then let me know and we can look at it together.